Well, boys, couldn't take it anymore. Couldn't take it. It lasted. It held up. I'm done. I'm through. Let's check it out. Yeah, it took me a minute. It did, but probably one of the I'm not gonna say that. I'm not even gonna say that. Not one of the final upgrades, but probably one of the most needed upgrades we're about to do. So let's go through everything. First up, we got the TKX. Yeah. Yes, I'm pumped. We got the TKX. We're about to put all this in, boys. Hopefully drive it out. Should drive it out, barring anything unforeseen. So, and of course, got all this from Handling Motorsports. We got the McLeod cast bell housing. Got the Ram HDX clutch. 26 spline. So she's plenty strong. Got all the hardware from Handling. And of course, you got to have your stock drive shaft to work, but you got to have the yoke. So we got the yoke, the mandatory Stifler's cross member. Got to have the Stifler's cross member. Got it right there. Gonna be freaking great. And then of course, probably one of the best shifters I've ever felt. The Handling shifter. Got the billet handle. And to match the paint, we got the white Tremec knob. So yeah, they had all this in stock. All the hardware, everything we needed. And we about to get busy. Get this thing done. Alright, first order of business. Get this shifter off. Plenty of time for that tomorrow.
I know.
Right?
No, I have a day job, sir. I'm sorry.
Maybe this will come out better.
I got faith in Camo.
I don't know.
Total faith.
One thing's for sure, I know somebody with a saw.
Yeah.
It's not scary. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All of one. You need me to cut that other stud?
Oh, Lord of mercy.
It's all milky.
It looks milky, don't it?
It does look kind of
Very milky.
Hmm?
Very milky.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's odd. We're about to pull the trains, dude. You know what?
Don't you like how we like do something and then come back and redo it?
Yeah. this thing. This is like the 20th time.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Between, well, when
I'm talking about put a 5-speed in and take a 5-speed out. And
yeah. Well, I'm just talking about overall between the putting the trans, because the trans when I bought this car was junk.
Yeah.
So that was one.
Yeah.
And then I put it in with the motor and then swapped the AOD and then pulled the AOD out like 10 times to do the converter.
Wouldn't it be nice to have money just do everything at once?
It would be. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But then what the hell would we be doing? We're almost home, kiddo. How's it this one? Just there we go.
Well, you know.
Yeah. Nuts. I got the nuts over here.
Huh?
Retire that thing. You need that?
Done. And then to me, that would be, you ready?
Yeah.
You just want to pull this out and get it out the way. Because you're a big guy.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
We did accidentally.
Well, let me get this off before it hits somebody in the head.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Don't forget I'm...
Oh, you still injured?
Yeah, I got a torn tricep. All right.
There we go.
There it is. And there they go. say this battery's about dead.
There we go. Grab that disc. Oh, I got it.
The pressure plate's gonna be hot, but this probably not as bad.
Well, if you just grab the string, it probably won't be as bad. Yep. Centerpiece. There we go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Success! Man, the flywheel's still hot.
I couldn't imagine. I mean, we're doing a hot swap transmission.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it went over there, right? It's on there. It ain't gonna go nowhere time it slides. Not just leave it there.
You just drive like that, right?
Yeah. You want these fancy new boats?
Those are just
They're what?
those are just trans. Yeah.
Dude, you know them always scare me.
Oh yeah.
Especially when your head's in the way.
Uh-huh. All right. Going in.
Get her in.
Putting that shifter in is gonna suck.
It is gonna suck.
So quick story, y'all. The shifter is so tall, and these AJE motor mounts don't allow the engine to rock back and forth like a more stock one would. So we're gonna have to get the trans up and then put the shifter in.
Come back, Bubba.
Come back. My foot's in
There you go. That's good.
So yeah, it's gonna be fun. And of course, TKX is a 6-bolt shifter.
All right.
Let's see. We're still gonna have to come up.
Yeah.
Can you see in there?
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Roll the whole jack. Why does it always get hot at this moment?
Is this thing isn't in neutral, is it? It's probably still in 4th gear.
I mean, at this point,
We left it in 4th because we set the shifter up. It's all yours, G.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
There's another one. Like I said, the one out of my white car over there, I don't know nothing about it. I know it's been empty though. That one pops out of second.
Is it one of the ones if you just keep a little pressure on it, it's fine? Or have you actually got to hold it?
No, it's weird, man. You gotta like, I had to like and yank it,
this ass broke.
and it would take. But if you're just trying to half-ass cruise around town and just throw it in second, it'll pop out every time.
There's a reason why we're doing this.
Yeah.
Good reason.
Just say, look, it's just broke. There's something wrong with it. You know.
I've watched.
Everything works pretty good, but it's like third. You don't need
I've
it.
watched a few videos and I got a couple books on how to rebuild these things.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I ain't shit to rebuild them. But it's just, you know.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Last one. Oh, yeah. There you go. You know what? You know what?
What? Don't tell me any bad news. I'm done with bad news.
He's about to
for the
say
day.
AA Ron.
Huh?
He's about to say AA Ron.
Tighten them up. I feel like. They tight though. Dude, you got to tap out up underneath that car.
It's warm.
A little
Yeah.
bit.
So the shifter's in. We already adjusted the stops. It's bolted down. It's filled with fluid. We got stiflers in. Clutch cables hooked up. And I don't need speed sensor, obviously. With my cluster, I run GPS speed, so that saves us quite a bit. Yeah, man.
These little bowls get your starter, your exhaust.
Traction control. Listen to this guy. We drive Fox boxes. What do we need traction?
Right foot for, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Nah, you just hold it down.
Huh?
It makes a difference.
What if I want to drift?
Turn it off. It's on the switch.
Yeah, we're on the home stretch. We're going to be doing TKX stuff here shortly, and I'm freaking pumped.
Yeah, I couldn't believe I got this. Watch your head.
Yeah, for real.
One.
All right, gents, that's a wrap. Underneath here, we're about to drop it down, fire it up, see if we got any leaks. Hook the shifter handle up. Oh, it looks great. Everything looks great. No exhaust leaks. All right, gents. I'm gonna have to adjust the clutch. Moving. What about it? Yeah, we're moving, boys. Yeah, definitely. Maiden voyage. We're gonna try it out. Hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah. I have to be easy on it. I gotta break the clutch and the trans in, but this thing, like, you just flick it. What a friggin' difference. Got no vibrations, no exhaust leaks. We're good to go. Kevo, job well done.
Let's go line them up.
Thanks for the...
Let's go line them up.
Dude, I gotta break everything in first. Give me a...
I'll give you a chance to break it in.
Yeah, we're gonna do a 500-mile drive first. I am going to properly break this clutch and trans in, just because. I mean, you did yours.
I did mine.
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah.
at 501, let me tell you something.
We're gonna drift like Bond getting Junior up in this.
I did
mullet.
the 500, and when I said he's go 501, he's going with it.
Put it on a chip.
It was on something.
Oh, dude, thanks for the help.
No problem, bro.
Knocked it out.
Yeah, glad to see you rolling good.
Yeah, we have no leaks. We have no exhaust leaks.
That's
I need to adjust clutch a little bit. All right, guys. So feels really good. Get the TKX in. The T5 held its own for a while, but like I said, guys, that thing was old. We didn't know anything about it. I just threw it in there, and it did its job. Now we got the TKX. We're good. Might need to order some drag radials. I don't know, but guys, if you enjoyed this one, drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.